a very basic, common and most important question. What do you understand by a safety permit? A safety permit is an official document or authorization issued by a regulatory authority, employer, or responsible entity that grants permission for specific activities, operations, or tasks to be carried out under controlled and safe conditions. Safety permits are typically used to ensure that the necessary safety precautions are in place to protect the well-being of individuals involved in the task or operation, as well as the environment and property. The second aspect is related to the issuance of a safety permit. The issuance of a safety permit often involves a thorough assessment of potential hazards, the implementation of safety protocols, and compliance with relevant regulations. These permits are essential in high-risk industries such as construction, manufacturing, and energy production, where specific activities may pose significant safety and health risks. As you know, different types of safety permits exist, each tailored to the unique risks associated with the task at hand. The specific requirements and procedures for obtaining and using safety permits can vary depending on industry standards, government regulations, and the policies of the organization or authority responsible for safety management. Do you know the primary purpose of the safety permit? The primary purpose of the safety permits is to mitigate risks, prevent accidents, and ensure that work is conducted in a safe and controlled manner. You are on the platform of Safety First Life. Now, I would like to share 20 most important safety permits used in construction, manufacturing, or other high-risk industries or for high-risk activities and operations. Let's start. Number 1, hot work permit. Number 2, cold work permit. Number 3, confined space entry permit. Number 4, excavation permit. Number 5, scaffolding permit. Number 6, lifting and rigging permit. Number 7, hazardous materials handling permit. Number 8, environmental permits. Number 9, noise and vibration permit. Number 10, water discharge permit. Number 11, traffic control permit. Number 12, radiation permit. Number 13, blind or block permit. Number 14, fire watch permit. Number 15, temporary electrical permit. Number 16, work at height permit. Number 17, startup and commissioning permit. Number 18, gas testing permit. Number 19, pressure testing permit. And number 20, waste disposal permit. As I told you, these different permits used in various industries, including construction, manufacturing, oil and gas, and other similar industries to ensure safety, compliance with regulations, and environmental protection during specific activities and operations. If you are interested to learn in depth about each type of permit, please comment and I'll make separate videos. For now, that's all.